noise cancelling.
This video is based on an article by Notebook Check website. Sony Xperia Pro-I Mark II like Huawei 850 potentially with variable aperture. A leaker on Weibo also brings a variable aperture like the Huawei 850 into play for the Sony Xperia Pro-I successor expected in autumn 2022. Image: Huawei. After Sony delivered its compact flagship for 2022 with the Xperia 5i, the focus is now on the successor to the Xperia Pro-I, which will probably be launched later this year with a focus on photography. In addition to a 1-inch sensor, current rumors also point to an exciting feature of the recently launched Huawei 850 series. The rumor mill about Xperia Pro 2022 is still increasing in intensity. After there was talk of 3 48-megapixel sensors, one of them in 1-inch format, Sony's flagship, potentially named Xperia Pro-I Mark II, was again the subject of a Weibo post. See screenshot below. It has to be said again that such rumors from the Sony leakers scene often seem very dubious because hardly any sources or circumstantial evidence are presented. So it is difficult to decide whether there is more to it than hearsay or wishful thinking. Corresponding caution when classifying this posting is therefore appropriate. According to the leaker, Sony will replace all 3 sensors of the Xperia Pro-I and instead rely on a dream combo of 1-inch IMX903, 1/1.3 IMX803 and 1/1.7-inch IMX557 48-megapixel sensors with dual-pixel autofocus. The mention of a new ISP, image signal processor, and a multivariable aperture between f/1.2 and f/4.0 is exciting. The latter is still a rarity in the smartphone sector and was only presented for the first time this week by Huawei in the Mate 50 series. The current rumor doesn't sound completely unrealistic, especially since Sony had already offered a smartphone camera with a variable aperture in the past, but at that time only with 2 f-stops. Huawei advertises the Mate 50 series with a total of 10 f-stops and a correspondingly wide range of photographic options, but only with the main camera. Article to the website will be in the description.